In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize search results pages in Wix. Customizing your search results page is crucial in providing a seamless user experience on your website. It allows you to tailor the look and feel of these pages to align with your brand and ensure users get the most relevant information quickly. First, let's start by accessing the Wix editor. When you open your Wix account and select your site, you'll be directed to the site dashboard. From there, click on Edit Site to enter the Wix editor. This is your main space for any design changes you want to make to your website. Now, let's enable the search feature by adding a search bar to your site. Head over to the left side of the editor to find the Add button, which looks like a. When you hover over it, a menu will pop up showing various elements you can add. Scroll down to find Search and select Search Bar. Once added, you can reposition it by dragging and placing it in your desired location on your page. Remember, placing the search bar in an easily accessible area is key for better user interaction. Next, we need to connect the search bar to a results page. If you haven't already set up a search results page, you can create one by navigating to Menus Pages. Click Add Page, then select Blank Page and name it Search Results. Now go back to the search bar, click on Connect, and link it to this newly created page. This will ensure that when a search is performed, the results will appear on the correct page. With the results page established, it's time to customize its appearance. Return to your search results page by clicking on it in the Site menu. Once here, select Add to incorporate any specific elements like text or images that might enhance user experience. For a professional touch, consider the layout and typography to match your site's overall aesthetic. Consistency is key in web design, so mirroring the styling of your main site pages in your search results helps maintain brand identity and ensures a cohesive look. Make adjustments to the settings of the search bar to refine search behavior. Click on the search bar, select Settings, and delve into options like setting placeholder text or adjusting search depth. This will help you better control how data should be fetched and displayed based on what users type. You may choose to make searches more broad or narrow based on the nature of your site content and audience needs. Finally, don't forget to preview your site to test all functionality before publishing. Click the Preview mode to conduct a search and check that results appear as they should. This is your chance to troubleshoot any issues that might arise and make necessary adjustments. Once satisfied, hit the Publish button to make your newly customized search results page live. By taking these steps, you're improving your site's functionality and providing a more personalized and efficient experience for your visitors.